about it saving you money versus ripping and replacing the Highway 55 road?
The pipe is in such a condition that it does not make sense to attempt to do the blown-in liner, which is actually substantially more expensive than the snaptite.
And what liner is that?
I can't even tell you what it is. Actually a blown-in epoxy style liner that we've used in different situations.
Okay.
It's almost double the cost of snaptite because they literally use air to blow it into the pipe.
And was that considered for this job, or the cost just?
This pipe has degraded to the point where it could not, I don't believe it could be done without a substantial amount of manual work to get it in the condition to be able to put the blown-in pipe in. Because the blown-in pipe literally follows the contour of whatever you're putting it into. So as the bottom has kind of pushed up on itself to some extent, that blown-in pipe would follow that contour. So you would have basically a buckle in the bottom all the way through the pipe from the blown-in liner. The situation where we used the blown-in liner was an area where it was almost 50 feet deep under the highway down by Horseshoe Bend. And so there was just no possible way of digging that out and replacing it. And it was a joint effort with Fish and Game, and it actually did work very well then. They brought their equipment in, they were able to line the whole pipe, and now obviously the pipe's no longer failing because of the blown-in pipe. But again, substantially more expensive, a lot more equipment, people involved in it and stuff too. And they have to do that type of liner. ITD, we don't have any kind of capability to even think about doing the blown-in style liner.
And with snaptite, you get to use your own crew. You guys have your own equipment,
Yeah.
so you can self-perform.
Yep, and we've done